At FSI Strategies, we strive to constantly improve our service and enhance the customer experience. We developed our FSI Get Help add-in to bring our service desk directly into your flow of work, making it easier than ever to work with us. With our Get Help add-in, you can submit and manage tickets directly from Microsoft Teams, Outlook, Excel, PowerPoint, and Word. And best of all, Get Help works on both desktop and online Office apps. Speaking of the web, you can also install Get Help in your Chrome and Edge browsers as an extension. This works seamlessly with integrated SSO, allowing you to log in with your existing Microsoft 365 credentials. At FSI, the customer experience is a core part of what we do, and innovation helps us take our service to the next level. The FSI Get Help app provides another layer of support to our clients, making it easier to work with us. Visit our website to learn more about our Get Help add-in and how we can help you achieve more.